it turned out well.
How can I help you, boss man?
Just gotta fax something.
I know you're probably wondering,
Cover sheet? No.
how did I eliminate
No, I can
two
just
sides
fax
of
it,
this
just a letter.
All right, yes, sir.
on a few of these? It's because these are going to different welding supply stores, and I'm gonna go network with them. I got the full drawing over here, but I can take them this, got the information on it, and they can let me know, looking at it, and it kind of give a person a professional view of it on, so they'll know what it looks like, how it's made for the base model, and then, show them pretty much what it looks like when you put your cylinders and welder on it. So, just thinking outside the box, man. That's what you got to do to get your hog on. Black Phoenix, I'm out.